Hey everyone, welcome to the first day of this 7-day course that's going to get you playing one of the most common beats there is in music, which is sometimes you hear it called the money beat. It might just be like a backbeat, whatever, but it's basically what we're going to work up to is eighth notes with our right hand or left hand, and snare or the other hand on 2 and 4, bass drum on 1 and 3. So we're going to end up working up towards or if you do left-handed, and I messed up right there. Anyway, that's where we're headed. But today we're going to start with quarter notes. So when you hear the metronome, you're going to hear it playing eighth notes, but the accented note, so the louder note, is going to be the quarter notes, and that's the one that you'll want to play to, and you'll see it in the video. So the way the video is set up is I'm playing here with my electronic kit. I also recorded me playing on a practice pad and just playing without drums altogether. So if you are playing with sticks and you're playing either the drum kit or on the practice pad, you'll see I'm just doing what they call the full stroke, where it might be easier to see with my left hand. I'm basically starting back here, lowering my arm and letting the stick rebound into this space in between my thumb and my first finger. And try to be somewhat consistent. You'll see in the video I mess up some, because sometimes you just, the stick slips a little bit, or anyway, you'll notice I'm not perfect either. So anyway, but day one, we're going to do quarter notes. It's going to be 60 BPM. You'll hear the click, and you'll see, you just, whichever one you're doing. If you got a set, you can watch the set video, which is kind of the main video, and then there's going to be two kind of smaller videos where I'm playing on the practice pad and then just playing on my knee. So here we go, right hand, 60 BPM. Let's do it. great job with the right hand. Hopefully that went well for you, just sticking to that metronome. We're going to do the exact same thing with the left hand at 60 BPM. Let's go. Great job today. That's a great start, just kind of getting used to playing time, playing the quarter notes with the metronome, both hands, getting both hands moving, you know, just starting to listen and being able to play in time. The most important thing drummers do is keep good time. So it may seem like 3 minutes is a long time to sit there and play at this slow tempo, but it's a great way to get started and a great way to kind of lock into the metronome so that you are keeping good time. I'll see you on day 2. We're going to move over to eighth notes.